In this video, we'll be looking at Adobe Bridge. Adobe Bridge is the digital asset management application developed by Adobe System, and it was first released with Adobe Creative Suite version 2. It is a mandatory component of Adobe Creative Suite, Adobe e-learning suites, Adobe Technical Communication suites, and Adobe Photoshop CS2 through a CXs. Now, starting with Creative Cloud, it became an optional download via the Creative Cloud subscription. And Adobe Bridge is often used in a similar way as the Window Explorer is used. It is used to organize files by renaming a group of them at once, assigning color labels or style ratings assigned to files from the respective Adobe software suite. And it can utilize these options through different versions of a file that is part of an Adobe Version Q project, though it lacks the photo editing functions of Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Lightroom. Image files can be shown in different sized thumbnails, slideshows, or lists, and each folder, which can be bookmarked, has a cache file, speeding up rendering time for images when viewing a thumbnail. The cache can be in one central location or an individual location. Now, Adobe Creative Suite's components, or let me say Adobe Bridge, can be invoked from all Adobe Creative Suite components except Adobe Acrobat. Now, this is the interface and this is how it looks like, and you can view your drives from here, the desktop, and you can as well click to see other folders and drives in your system, just like we normally do in the Window Explorer. So now the content of a particular folder is being displayed here, and right here you have the files in a particular folder or drive, and when you click, it shows you the content of a drive or folder, just like I said. And then right here we have the preview area where you can preview different documents of your choice. And then here you get the metadata or the details of the particular file selected. So you see the file name, the document type, the application, and the date it was created, the date it was modified, and the rest of a bunch of other options there with regards to that selected file. And the Adobe Bridge also have workspace selector. Now the workspace selector, here you have essentials. You can switch to film strip, you can switch to metadata, you can also switch to output, and you have a whole lot of workspace there. Now you can search a particular file here to quick get what you're looking for, and you can as well use the menu bar for one or two things. Okay, now I just quickly explain the interface and how it can be used. To create a folder, you can right click inside the content area here and you see new folder, or you can as well go to file and you see new folder right here, and when you click that, it allows you to create a new folder like that, just like we normally do it in Window Explorer. Okay, so right now this is how the Adobe Bridge looks like, and you can as well open your Photoshop document from Adobe Bridge. And let's quickly look at how we can do that. Now when you click on this document and you say open with, you see Adobe Photoshop CXs as the default. Now if I double click on that, you discover that it opens with Photoshop CX6. Okay, now that is how you open a file in Photoshop, and that is how it actually works. Okay, so in our next video we'll be looking at some other things. Thank you for watching.